channel. This is Nika. I am Nika. I kind of know what colors I'm going for today. I already did my my skincare, my eyebrows and all that good stuff. I already did all that off camera. So today I will be using this this palette. I'll be using, it's gonna be this hot pink, this orange, and this yellow. It's gonna be those colors I'm gonna use out of that palette. And I'm gonna use this small palette as well. And I'm using the peachy color on this corner. So even though I want to use this color, I may not be able to use it like I want to, but I'm gonna keep trying to build color so I can use it. Kind of try to save time because whatever I'm doing to this eye, what we're going to do this eye, what I will do is just do it off camera. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I've still started on this eye, but I'm not quite finished. I want to let you guys know what I'm doing, and I want to kind of build product in the corner or whatever because I want this yellow to stand out in this corner on both sides. Alright, and I want to focus on the outer portion of everything out. Later I may have to go back in on this top because the orange isn't that bold as I have to blend the peach back into this orange portion because this orange is outweighing it. We don't want that to happen, so we're gonna have to blend the peach back into it. This is brush off with my brush cleaner. I think that's the name of these things because I got like 2 of them. It's a quick makeup brush cleaner. I have 2. One of them, which is this one, I got from the Dollar Tree. This one I ordered from Amazon. And the crazy thing is that this one costs more than this one, and they look just alike, except this one has like a middle sponge as well, a little small middle sponge as well, but other than that, they bought the same, and I paid like $3.99 for that one, and I paid $1 for this one. So, hey, when I noticed I could get something for a cheaper price, baby, I'm for that cheaper price, especially if the product works. So. To feel like they have to purchase the stuff that I have because I just put it in my description box so you guys can know what I'm using. Like if you want to spend money on it to get the products I have, that's fine or whatever, because everything that I use, I try to use affordable stuff. It's just like I said, I really wanted you to know what I was using. That was it. Try to bring in the orange color back. off camera, and I did a little felt tilt. I guess that's what you call it, felt tilt. And I hate it. I don't like it. I feel like felt tilts are more for if you're going for like no eyeshadow or no, nothing on the eyelids, because when I first used this, I did not have any product on my eyelids when I first used it for the first time. It did a good job the first time I used it, but this time when I got product on my eye, it was skipping like crazy, and I don't like that. So I don't like my wing because my wing looks skippy looking, and that because of this. And I tried my best to you build product with it and keep going over the area it was skipping over, and it was not doing what it was supposed to be doing. So if my wing looks crazy and it looks off centered and whatever, I tried my best to do my best with that, but it kept doing what it was doing, so I left it alone. Maybelline Fit Me. I'm using the shade 330. I'm gonna dab in the product again, and I'm going around my eyebrows. I will put some highlight under the eye, but I don't think I'm going to do that today either. I think I'm just gonna put some. I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. Now it's going with some powder. I'm gonna use the lightest powder that I have. It's the translucent powder with Airspun. It's and translucent extra coverage. As you can see, I guess you can. my lashes on. Angle brush, and I'm gonna go around and try to bring some more color and squirt shit in my face. The next thing I'm gonna do is put some mascara on the bottom lashes. Now I need some blush and highlight. Complex Culture Good Glow Blush, and it's in the shade Spiced Up. Okay, I'm going to use this angle brush to apply my highlight. Today I'm using my Wet n Wild highlight on Hello Halo. And I think I'm going to use the peachy color over here on this side. Then again, I don't know. I got enough peach going on. I may use the silver one. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because I got enough peachiness going on with the blush and all that good jazz. Kind of try to blend this out a little bit. Okay. Alright. Now, setting spray. Now we're done. This is the final look. And yeah, guys, like I'm loving it. I could have did my edges to make them look more beautiful and more flawless, but I ain't going nowhere. I just did this look to do a quick look for you guys, and that was basically it. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for watching me do my makeup. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you're not, thank you still for coming and watch. It does help. So yeah, thank you guys. I'm even trying to get into special effects makeup, so soon you will see me do a couple videos on that effect. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.